Hello, my name is João, and this is my final project for the CS50's Introduction to Computer Science course by Harvard University. It consists on a very simple personal finances manager where you can add every transaction that you make with your money to make your financial life a little more organized. So let's begin by creating an account so that I can demonstrate the system to you. Let me create a very simple password, and now let me log into the system. Alright, so here it is. This is the very first page you're gonna see once you log into the system, and here is where you can add your transactions. So let's suppose that today on my account in this bank I spent on the grocery shop the amount of $100. Let's add that here. And also let's suppose that today, let me see, today on this other bank that I also happen to have an account, I received my salary of $12,000. Let's add that here, and now both transactions are here registered. So if I wanted to, I could filter my transactions to focus only on the ones that I want to see, which would be very helpful in the case of having a lot of transactions already registered. Alright, so let's move on to the next page, and here is where you can set your budgets, meaning that you can plan how much you intend to spend or to receive in any given category available here in the system. Now I haven't planned anything for any category since I just created this account, but you can see already the amount that I received for my salary in this given month, in this case July. It will always show the current month by default, but you can change it if you wanted to. And on the third and final page you can see your yearly reports. This means that you can see how much you planned to receive or to spend for every category for the entire year. And you can also see, for the sake of comparison, the total that was actually transacted for every category for any given year. You can select the year over here, and I guess that's it. I have a very limited time to demonstrate the system, but I hope I was clear and I hope you liked it. So that's it. Bye bye and see you next time.